Well, drones are pretty good for getting aerial footage no matter where you go, and everybody loves to do that. But some prefer to get a live view on the goggles and want to feel the thrill from the sky. So if you really like to do something exciting and desire to capture an epic cinematic footage, you will need the best ChineWhoop drone that is available in the market. To help you with that, we made a list of the top 5 ChineWhoop drones that can let you do all the maneuvers you want. The iFlight Nazgul Evoque F5D 6S is a drone with ultimate performance that has advanced technologies and features. It is fully protected from all sides, making sure that both beginners and experienced pilots can have fun while flying it without worrying about its safety. Besides, the lightweight side panels keep your drone clean from dust and grass. Furthermore, this ChineWhoop drone is equipped with the digital HD FPV system that supports 50 Mbit transmission to deliver a 720p video feed on your FPV goggles. It even boasts the CADX Vista Polar HD system for better low-light performance and detailed shadows. Not only that, the Blitz Mini F7 flight control with gyro fusion technology, USB-C, 16MB flash, and 5 UARTs allows you to use whatever equipment you want to use. This drone also comes with an XT60 connector on the back that lets you securely plus your battery. Plus, 360-degree illumination helps you to fly this drone even at night. The CineLog30 HD is a 3-inch quadcopter developed by the GEPRC, which has a durable and great quality frame to withstand any external damage. It is even capable enough to perfectly carry your GEP naked camera for freestyle and cinematic flight. Also, with a noise reduction design, it creates much less noise than other standard CineWhoop drones. The CineLog30 HD has a strong and powerful 1404 to 3850 kV motor for long-range flight. Besides, the upgraded reversed motor design and compact structure can bring a more maneuverable and stable freestyle experience. Also, you can capture every moment of the flight with the DJI HD system and Vista Polar HD camera. With a 4S660 mAh battery, you can get the duration of the flight around 7.5 minutes. The Pavo 25 Whoop Quadcopter has met all segments that a freestyle drone user needs. The frame is made from high-quality carbon fiber to ensure rigid construction and stable flight. Also, it supports almost every FPV camera that is available in the market. Furthermore, it adopts Nebula Pro Nano and HD Digital VTX to deliver 720p transmission at 120 FPS. Besides, the analog VTX version comes with a CADX Baby Rattle 2 camera that has a 1/18" Starlight HDR sensor and 1200 TVL resolution. It even equips Walk Snail Avatar HD kit, which allows you to record videos at 1080p with ultra-low latency. This quadcopter also comes with a dual antenna design for up to 4 kilometers long-range transmission. Plus, the rear LED with colorful lights gives you a cool visual performance in the dark. The iFlight ProTech 35 is a lightweight CineWhoop drone that delivers a better and longer flight experience. It supports a universal GoPro mount, which allows you to equip a GoPro camera so that you can elevate your footage quality. This device is also portable and easy to disassemble, which means you can take it with you pretty easily. Moreover, this drone comes with a built-in Polar Vista Digital HD system, which ensures high-quality footage even in low-light conditions. Equipped with a Zing 223.5 motor, it can produce more power to provide a maximum speed of up to 120 kilometers per hour. With a smooth freestyle setting, you can fly this drone any way you want and capture creative footage effortlessly. Besides, low resonance frame construction allows you to get more cinematic footage. The DJI Avata is the most impressive CineWhoop drone that can let you experience the thrill of flying with all new advanced features. Due to its palm-sized and agile design, the Avata is easy to carry and capable of doing various maneuvers. It has a 1 and 1.7-inch sensor that supports 155-degree FOV that allows you to capture ultra-smooth 4K footage. Moreover, this CineWhoop drone is equipped with DJI O3+, which delivers transmission at distances of up to 10 kilometers. Also, it is compatible with DJI goggles 2, DJI FPV goggles V2, DJI FPV Remote Control 2, and DJI Motion Control, which each unlock different possibilities. With Horizon Steady and Rock Steady 2.0, you can get top-notch stability ever. Plus, Avata offers an impressive 18 minutes of flight time, letting you capture your desired shots. So that was all about the top 5 ChineWhoop drones just for you. Which one do you want to buy? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.